And I pray everything is okay, right? Okay. Now basically this is going to be a very short one. This is like an intro to forex trading itself, and it's basically going to be a very short question. First question is basically I want to start forex trading, but I don't know where to start from. I don't know where to start, how to start, where to look, what to look for, how to look for it, and other stuff like that. So I'm basically creating this video because of my community I have on WhatsApp. And it has been a can I say, okay, we've really not spent a lot of time together. We just started. So it will be a very nice time for you to join us, and I'll be uploading quite a number of teaching as time goes on about forex trading, and that's going to be an amazing one for you and me also. So subscribe to my channel if you want to, please. Okay, so it's going to be an amazing one. So I'm Onisuru Gosam Tejuri, and I'm basically a tech guru with over 6 years of experience, approaching 7 years to be precise. And the aspect of forex trading I like is basically can I say, yeah, I can say them. Okay, pardon me, I'm just going to go through my slide. Okay, so the aspect of forex trading, the aspect of tech I like are just 5 areas which basically going to talk about. Yeah, 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 and yeah. So the first one is forex trading, second is crypto trading, the third is going to be that's affiliate marketing. We have and others. We have sales, affiliate marketing, airdrops. Also, airdrops are also there. So now you want to be quite ready to learn and escape the matrix if you want to do that, and also be giving some of the things you need to become a forex trader. What are those things you need? So this you may not find this video interesting if this is not for you, but if you know I'm tired of earning from month to month on a paycheck, then this video is for you. Basically I've learned from so many mentors online, so many forex mentors online, and so many tech mentor, crypto mentor, and as many as you can call. And I can tell you that I may not be the very best you find out there, but I myself will add something that others may not add, which is number one is integrity, number two is commitment, the another is humility, and many others. So you can free feel to stick around. Maybe I may add value in such a way because there's basically someone I'm going to be talking to right now that's like, oh my god, is someone of my age doing this? And yes, you definitely can also do that also. So if you're going to be joining this, you subscribe so you get updated, get asked for the link, join the WhatsApp channel. Maybe I'll create a Telegram channel, I don't really know, but in case I really want to do that, so you can tag along. Like, this is going to be a very free space, and I'm hoping I'll catch you there. Like, you should be there, right? Like, you're coming. Are you coming? Don't mind me, I'm just trying to make the video quite interesting, so when you're watching, just like, one of these boring teaching. No, it's not going to be boring, trust me. Do you trust me? Okay, yeah. So welcome to my channel. I'm Onisuru Gosam Tejuri, like I said, and that's the name of my channel to be precise. So it's going to be a wonderful one, and it's loaded. Like, there's a lot of things you're going to learn from this session. The first thing I'm going to basically talk about, I'm going to tell you the description for my group was straightforward, from $0 to $100,000 in a year, less than a year, and we're going to do that, right? So we're going to do that. Maybe the next time you're going to see maybe half 6 months going in. And one thing I've learned over the years is document your journey. That's basically what I'm doing right here, and you're also doing that with me, right? So we're doing it together. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to document the journey for a 1 year experience, and immediately I upload this video, I'll start counting my 1 year for myself. And if you're in this space, you should know there will be people who tell you this is not going to work out, this is scam, don't do it. And I'm ready to see that in the next 1 year and see what results is going to pull out. So just stick around and hang through. It's going to be a wonderful session, and I'm believing you're going to like it, and feel free joining us. Peace. Hey, good evening everyone, and how are we doing? Welcome to my welcome to this video. Now this video is gonna go straight into it, which is how to trade, like knowing where to start from. Now this video is basically for someone who says I want to learn forex trading, and I basically don't know where to start from, how to start, what to start with, what to do, what is forex trading and stuff like that. So this is going to be like an in-depth. I'm not using any manuscript, so I may basically jump some things and come over them over and over again. So you may see me going back to things I've said before and come back to new things and keep on talking, just going around circles and other stuff like that. So you can basically follow me on my channels to keep updated. Follow me on this channel, please. Please, I'm begging. So you want to click on the subscribe button to follow me on this channel. And now let's go straight into the video. So the first thing now is you want to learn forex trading. You should know this is not a get rich quick scheme. Please do not ever have it in your mind or content that forex to become rich. Anybody who tells you that is going to be the best liar you can ever find. It is not a get rich quick scheme. So don't let anybody trick you into saying this is a get rich quick scheme. Now I'm basically going to be doing all my teaching on the mobile application, because many people are using the mobile application and I'll not be using my system for it right now. But I also create a video for system, those who have system, and I also create a video for those who use system side by side with laptop, that's using them both hand. Wow, that video is going to be more interesting. While using the phone also can be very interesting, but the laptop, if you don't have a router or a phone, it's the same thing. So now the steps are just going to be very simple and the same. If you're using an iPhone or maybe using an Android, it's also going to be the same. This is an Android. I'm using my Android right now, so you just know this is going to be on an Android experience. So now the first thing you want to do here is to get your applications. Now let me show you the applications I basically use for trading right here. Okay, this is the first one. Let me put it right here. Let me get the first one, MetaTrader 4. Let me get my trading view sent to desktop, and I'm going to show you how to install them and where to get them from. Trading view, MetaTrader 5. I'm going to send this to desktop, and my Chrome browser. You'll be surprised that it's just the 4 app you use for trading. Yes, just this 4 app. Are you surprised? Yes, I am surprised. I was thinking maybe you use so many applications. Now let me go into this trading application, trading apps. Okay, now basically these are the 4 applications you need. These are the only application you need if you are trading real forex trading. I'm not talking of option trading. There's option trading, but I am not telling you about option trading. I am talking of just pure forex and price reading and other kind of things. So this is the 4 application. So the first thing you do is go over to your Play Store right here. I'm not going to make this video very long. I'll go straight to points. I am called GT. So now just go over here and I'll search here. Then I'll go over to MetaTrader. MetaTrader 4 is the first application. So you click on, you can see mine is updated, and I guess that's the first application also. So the MetaTrader 4, let me look for it. So the first MetaTrader 4. While the second application is the Trading View. Trading View, trade TRAD. Trading View. So you're going to search for that also on your store, and you can see this is the one right here. So this is your trading view. Now I'm going to move over to the next, which is Chrome. Everybody has Chrome browser. I added it for a purpose. Then you go over and search for MetaTrader 5. So these are basically the only application you need for trading. These are just the application you need for trading. And now the first thing you want to know is, what is forex trading? FX, as you know it, or you have heard people say FX basically stands for foreign exchange. Foreign exchange, that's just the thing. So if you are here, you are trading foreign exchange, and I like this more because it is going to be more realistic trading the forex than doing option trading. I will not be doing option trading with money for now. I'll focus just on trading view and trading normal currency pairs and indices and many other kind of trading pairs. You will not understand them. So now what's the first thing you want to do? You want to go over to these applications and create an account on each of them. So now the first thing you want to use is your trading view. So you come over to trading view. It's going to tell you to sign in with Google. If you are using an iPhone, sign in with your iCloud, and you just use that and just sign in very quickly. So now let's see how many minutes has gone in. 5 minutes. Okay, that's a good number. So after that, after you have done it, now the next thing is going to be, what am I going to do next? Now it's going to open this kind of interface for you. This is the first interface you will see. So when you're on this interface, this is just going to be very clean, very clean. Remember, this is an introductory video, and you want to go back to rewatch the video 2 or 3 times. You want to do that for your own good. You need to do that. So now I'll just go through some things right here. But then I'll be uploading a video that says how to use trading. So after watching this video, you want to go over to the next video, which I'll be uploading, I guess tomorrow, on how to use Trading View 2024. That will be the name of the video. Or you say how to use Trading View. I guess the name for that video will be how to use Trading View by Onisuru God's Time Tejiri 2024. So you know that's my video, and I'm going to be going in depth in it. But right now I have works to do, but I already told my community I'll be uploading this video. I told them I will be uploading it for uploading sake. I am going to upload this video, and I am making sure I'm going in details. And remember, seeing this in your head, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You are not going to get rich overnight. Yeah, it takes patience, it takes discipline. And you want to know what's discipline? The ability to know something is not favorable at the beginning of it, and you keep on doing it, and all of a sudden you find the journey going to be very interesting, and you just keep on doing and doing. That's exactly what is discipline. It is not interesting, but you love doing it. And when somebody tries starting it, the person cannot continue just because they don't know how you are able to cope, how you are able to smile with this process. That's basically what you're going to be doing right here. So I'm basically talking right now because I'm so hyped, so hyped. I opened like I've been trading today, and let me just go to my chart and show you some interesting moves that happened today. I made some quite a few number of trade, and it has been going like, I don't know what to even say about it. It has been going so well. Now you can see my chart right here. You can see my chart right here. So you can see first trade, that was a good one. The next trade, you can see this was around the news session. Now this is, I will explain all this you are seeing right here. So many people like, I don't understand what is showing right here. That's why I said I'll be creating a video and I'll be uploading it. So this is the very first video you want to watch coming into the forex industry. So now you can see all trade just going. Now the red place is basically stop loss, while the green place simply means that's the direction I want the market to go to. Just like normal, green means go, red means stop. So the green place is basically where I say I want the market is going to go there. So I know the market is going to go there, or I feel the market is going to go there, and I predicted the market is going to go there with confluence I have in mind, and the market eventually went up to that extent which I predicted the market to go to. So I'm going to be doing the explanation of how to use Trading View on your mobile phone, full in-depth knowledge. Oh, if you missed that video, like, once you get to the video, once you get to my channel, subscribe, click on the subscribe button. You want to do that for your own sake, for your good. Like, my community has one target, just one target. My community has a yearly target, and what's the target? From the moment I post the video, I'll start counting the target. I've already started. No, from the moment I post this video, I'm going to be starting the target, which is from $0 to $100,000, with using just forex trading, crypto trading, airdrops, sales and affiliate marketing, because you need something to distract you from trading. That's why I added sales and affiliate marketing, and your normal jobs, which is the fifth one, your 9 to 5. I don't like the 9 to 5 job. How do I get out of it? You cannot get out of it if your mind is not ready to escape from the matrix. Maybe one of these people are going to watch my video and they'll be like, are you talking this well, and why are you saying this word, escape from the matrix? Do you want, not everybody wants you to see this video. Not everybody, I'm telling you that not everybody wants you to watch the video. Not those who want you to, who know success are not going to let you watch this video I am uploading right now. I just told you something, that's why I had to say it in the video. So after you're done with creating your Trading View, make sure your interface is like mine, which is this first place. Now I'm going to close this up. Then I'm going to go over to the next, which is MetaTrader 4. I'm also going to be creating a video on how to use MetaTrader 4 from beginning to end. Like, this account I traded today, and I was just passing prop firm, like passing. You can see the profits on this. Like, this was today. I was just passing profit, like the props, as if nothing was going to happen, and it was very interesting today, guys. It was an interesting day, and you can see I only traded one pair. Now the thing is, on forex trading, you just have to know which pair are you good at trading. What pair do you know how to trade? I like trading SAU USD, SAU. I like trading SAU, but Euro USD now turns out to be one of the most favorable pair for me right now. I don't know, like, I understand this pair more, so that's why I'm trading this Euro USD for now. I guess for now, because I'll be changing over very soon to another pair. I like trading Nasdaq, another. You'll be like, what are you saying? I don't understand this word. Yeah, you're not supposed to understand them at the very beginning of me saying this. You just have to watch this video, go over the video again, watch the video again until you understand that these are the application, these are what I am going to be using, these are how I'm going to be using them, and how am I going to be using them. That's why you're going to watch the next video. Now the next thing is Chrome. Why do I say we need Chrome? It's because of this. Now when you come over to Chrome, you need to be updated with the market because it changes from time to time. It changes time in and time out. The reason why I'm not going to be making this video so lengthy is because if the video is too long, you will stop watching and you start skipping. But if I break this video into step in, step out, step in, step out, and many other steps, it's going to be very interesting for you to watch, and kind of going to be very good in that manner, that is broken and not just compile in one video, making the video very very long, and you're like, this video is too long, I'll not start forward, making it a very boring content for you to watch. This is not going to be boring. This is going to be very interesting, and I'm going to be uploading the video also on TikTok and on YouTube. But the TikTok algorithm may not pick up this video right now, but I know people will come over to this video one day and say I really need this video because this video is not going to ever get updated. So now I know why I said it's not going to get targeted, because this is introduction to forex trading for the very first time. I just found the name for it. Interesting. So now let's continue. So you just come here and say forexfactory.com. This is what I use for checking trades. I'm checking I say saying one. I won the this thing, so I won the prop. This was a nice one. The balance was like, so So now this is where I look at news. Since I only trade USD, I just set it to show only USD for if I'm trading, and I'm going to just tell it to show only USD. So I'm going to, like you can see, there are settings right here. I can filter. I'm going to there's a lot of things I'm going to talk about. I'm also going to be talking about Forex Factory also. So these four applications you are going to download, I'm going to be making a separate video for each of them. I'm not going to put any video in one. I want each person to be good at what they are watching. That's why I'm just talking of the application here. So Forex Trading is going to be very interesting. Then after understanding the application, I'm going to be telling you okay, I guess the first video I have to upload is introduction to forex and what are the things you need to know about forex trading. Those are the things I have to tell you first. After I'm done telling you those, maybe before I'll create all this video. So the first video is just letting you know that there's something called forex trading that's going to be good. This is going to be very interesting for you. So after this video right now, the next video I'm going to be working on is what is forex trading. How do we trade forex? What do we now? I'm not going to be creating any slide. I'm going to be making this so realistic. Like, imagine that you are learning. What should you do? And I use ICT by the ICT himself. Oh, you don't know why I'm saying because this man is, I don't know. Like, this man, ICT is the GOAT of trading. See, there's nothing you want to tell me. There is nothing you're telling me. It's just going to be ICT and ICT alone. So those are just the four applications, and that's all I'm going to talk about in this video. And I want you to ask questions, because you drop your questions in the comment section. Come on, you're going to do that, right? Drop your questions in the comment section. Ask me questions and I'm ready to answer your question. As many questions that comes in, I'm going to answer them, because I'm going to be breaking the teaching into courses, because it's like a course. So this is the introduction to the course, and this is going to be very interesting for me and you. So till I come your way again, now you already know the applications you need. You already have the mindset that this is not a get rich quick scheme. You know that you're going to be having different courses, and you have subscribed to the channel. I'll be seeing how many people will be coming into to watch the video, and see how many people I get as new subscribers. So please subscribe so I can push more content. And it's encouraging when you drop a like on the video, you comment your question, and you like and you share. It makes me make the video go out to reach more people, and it gives me the courage and the motivation to want to push more videos out to you, for you to learn. Because I may be your age and I'm doing this, and you're like, I really want to learn this. How do I go about it? And that's why I'm creating the content like this for you. So till I come your way again, I remain my humble self, Honestly Godtime Tejiri, and I am going to be the founder of one of the CEOs of GTD Mega. So peace out.